What's up, guys? Welcome to TracerTube979. I'm new on YouTube, and so today we're going to do a video about my fidget spinner. It's 5-sided. Can get these at Once Upon a Child. There's one more different color. It's silver. So we're just going to see how long it spins. I think it spins pretty long. Oh, and this is my new logo. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to do that on my videos at the end like other people do. It's cool. It's not stopping. Okay, it's kind of slowing down. Okay, it's slowing down. Okay, it's stopping. Come on, stop. Okay, it's stopping. How's this still spinning? Look at this, it's still spinning. Okay. It still hasn't stopped. Okay, it stopped. So now we're gonna see which parts we can do it on, like finger, nose. So I'm gonna do on my thumb. I mean, most people can do that. It's pretty easy. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this for 10 seconds. Okay, that was about 10 seconds. 10 seconds on the finger. Well, the middle finger. Most people can't do this. It's pretty easy. Okay, now I'm going to do it on my pinky. I can barely do this. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is hard. Guys, I'm doing it. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can do it on my nose. I cannot do this. It's really hard. Oh. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end it here. Stay cool.